guys, so I've been meaning to make a video about this for quite a while. I will make it now, on health and what all things healthy have in common. What reminded me of this is, today for the first time in a while, I put on my EMF jumper. It's got silver threads in it. It's really expensive actually, this one. Well, you can get cheaper ones, but this one's a 99% silver threaded from one famous EMF company. I can't remember which one. But anyway, as soon as I put it on today, I noticed my breath slow down, calm down, healthy. And that's what all healthy things, all healing modalities have in common. As soon as I put it on, I was like, my breath just calmed. Automatically, without trying. Why? Because it's blocking the EMFs. Why? Because EMFs are increasing our rate at which we consume oxygen, our metabolic rate. Anything bad for you is increasing it, and not to bring it down, but permanently at that level. Whatever slows the breath down heals the body. And this does, and these LifeWave patches do as soon as I put them on. My aged urine does. A lot. Grounding does. Fasting slows my breath down a lot. Sun gazing slows your breath down. Being naked, vitamin D slows my breath down. Nitric oxide UVA, midday sun on skin, blowing blood pressure slows my breath down. Distilled water slows my breath down. You see where I'm going? What all healing modalities have in common is they slow the breath down, lower the rate which you consume oxygen, lower your metabolic rate, puts you in from sympathetic tone to parasympathetic. Vagus nerve activation, calms the body down, blood vessel dilation. Less breaths per minute equals a longer life and more energy systems. Literally, less breaths per minute equals a longer life. The more you breathe, the more you overbreathe, the more ill and susceptible you are to disease and living an uncomfortable, unhappy life. So use the hacks. Use the things available to you and look after yourself, and recognize that that slow breath down will change your vibration and you really will become the best version of you possible. I'm also super excited because I'm getting a bit more money in, so I'm buying some more. They're coming through the post. I've already bought another EMF for my junk, for EMF boxes, really powerful, from Lambs. So I'm going to test them out and report them back to you guys. Also from the same company, I got a beanie hat which protects me from the EMFs. Also I bought a t-shirt, so I'm going to try them out too. I think EMFs is a huge issue, and we've got to do what we can. We've got to pay the money to protect ourselves. Yeah, so it's huge, and I just wanted to get out and tell you guys about that too. I will be talking about it again in more videos to come. So yeah, reminder, anything that slows the breath down is a good thing as well. Breath work is one I didn't mention. Breath work really does slow the breath down after you've done it. Sometimes you could do breath work that speeds the breath up consciously, like Kapalabhati, Bostrika, Wim Hof, right? It raises the level at which you're breathing, consuming oxygen for a short space of time, only to tone it down. So that's the difference between that. But all the other healing modalities, slow the breath down. Slow the breath down. What happens when you go in an ice bath? Breath goes down. What happens when you sun gaze? Breath goes down. What happens when you fast? Breath goes down. What happens when you drink aged urine? Breath goes down. Take it in your system anyway, up the bum even. What happens when you put LifeWave patches on? Breath slows down. All healing modalities, slow the breath down. And when the breath is slow, you return to unity, your highest vibration.